World, Gautam here. It's been a really long time, 2 months since we made a video because of the COVID-19. So anyway, today I'm not reviewing any toy. I'm reviewing the OnePlus 8 Onyx Black smartphone. So let's have a closer look. The OnePlus 8 smartphone comes in a really long red box, as you can see, and there's an 8 written on the top front, which signifies the OnePlus 8. Then we got OnePlus 8 written on the side and a bunch of things written on the back side. So let's open it up. So here's the smartphone, and let's take it out. Like that. And like that. And here's the smartphone. So let's see how much time it takes to switch on the phone. And here we go. That was pretty fun. So I'll show you a short video to let you know about the clarity and sound of this phone. That is too good. Amazing. This is Dolby Atmos. Right now, I'm gonna play some games and we'll test the sensitivity and the speed. Let's go for Candy Crush. That was fast. I like it. Now, let's go for Fruit Ninja. So, let's play. Fast. So after this video, I'll send you quick specs about the phone so you can choose wisely. And also